Well, the scene of a crash in May, which left 11 students injured, should be completed before the start of the new academic year.